When you're not feeling good, you call the clinic to reserve an appointment. The secretary creates you a profile and assigns you to an empty slot. When your appointment comes, you visit the clinic. And the secretary checks your appointment and updates your profile. Then the doctor records your visit. The doctor can also review your previous visits and diagnosis history. After performing the necessary diagnostics, a prescription is printed and recorded to the system. And this is the clinic management system.